Welcome back, everyone, to another quick episode of getSource, where I just show you some prototypes and give you everything and let you have fun with it. So today I'm actually finishing prototyping some things for my next WebGL 2.0 series, which I'm trying to have like the small, simple, low poly planet. And I kind of want to have a rock kind of just blast off and then crash right back in, and then kind of just put like a black area to show you that that part of the planet has been obliterated. And I just wanted to be just random, starting and end points, and just see how long it takes before whole chunks, or if not the entire planet, is completely obliterated. So I wanted to prototype kind of the trajectory. I'm bad at English. How to get it to fly off the planet and then crash right back. So I did it in 2D first because it's probably easier to do things like this in 2D. And I used Canvas 2D, and the magic really is Bezier curves. If you have more than one Bezier curve connected together, those are called Bezier splines. And playing with splines are kind of cool because then you have to kind of like map the points between from one curve to another, which is kind of a little challenge, but it's kind of fun to implement. So yeah, so the idea is you can actually just move these points around, and it recalculates the new the distance for each control point. So this way, I can kind of keep the curvature the way I want it. So I can just move this around as much as I want. And so yeah, like if I want to move the red around the other way, the code knows enough that that's going beyond 180 degrees. So then it kind of creates the curve in the opposite way. So it's kind of smart. It takes like the shortest distance between 2 points around a circle. So I end up compensating for that too, because no point in going all the way around 360 degrees. That's unrealistic. You will never shoot a rocket like that. So this is a full implementation in 2D, and then today I completed the 3D implementation, which produces the exact same results. This one is a little bit different, but most of the code is almost the same. Implementing the 3D points have to be done using, I used spherical coordinates, so it's longitude and latitude. Took me a while to find a good algorithm, or that actually gave me good results of calculating those points. I went through like 3 or 4 of them, and each one kind of looked like it worked, but then didn't work. Like somehow it just kept messing up. But I managed to find one good one that actually works and doesn't like screw up. I don't know why. I don't know if they're just not designed for WebGL, or Y is up, or like I looked up the equations, and some people have them backwards, like sine, cosine, back and forth. So it was kind of difficult to kind of get this working in 3D because I had to find the right way. But this one's kind of cool. You can kind of just pick any 2 points, and just like the 2D, it figures out. Doesn't do as good a job as doing the curvature. There's like a certain angle point that it doesn't, but once you go past a certain point, it curves a little better. So yeah, I always kind of enjoyed doing. Let's see, kind of pushing it up above, and then kind of zooming in. This probably will look really sweet. Ooh, whoa. Wow. Kind of hard to move these around sometimes. So like this might look really sweet once I have the skin of the planet and atmosphere kind of put in there. So it's kind of cool just to see it fly off, I guess, from the pole, goes up. And I use a tween too. So you might notice that there's an acceleration to it. It takes it a little bit of time to get up, and then once it reaches that point, it comes right back down. I use a circle in easing equation. I feed in time, and it gives me a new time that's eased up. So kind of give it a more realistic feel that a rocket is flying off the planet, coming right back, and doing some damage. So yeah, these are great examples. If you really like Bezier curves or splines, spherical coordinates, and everything else, and just the idea of learning how to prototype between 2 different worlds, like 2D and 3D. Yeah, you can kind of see there's not too many differences, except for the fact that you have to move things into different coordinate systems. That's about it, really. So links in the description. We'll have the links to these demos. and the links to the GitHub so you can download all the source code. MIT license, don't care what you use it for. This is all educational. If you get something out of it, congratulations. I hope you do. And if you're interested in the full-blown series, go check out my WebGL 2.0 series on my channel, and I'll probably go more in depth of this in that video, which I still need to finish and do. finish and do. But yeah, this is fun. If you have any questions, if you have any cool ideas that you might think be fun for me to prototype, make videos of, feel free. And I guess I'll see you guys at the next getSource or the next WebGL 2.0 series. See you guys.